The author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, presents a compelling concept known as the cash flow quadrant, highlighting a nuanced divide between affluence and poverty. He posits that this distinction hinges on individuals' motivations for earning. Those on the quadrant's left side pursue income for the sake of stability, while those on the right side seek freedom, aspiring to a life free from the necessity of laborious work. Kiyosaki outlines 8 strategic investments as a step-by-step guide to get rich and to secure a life beyond the constraints of employment. These steps serve as a blueprint for those aiming to transition from working for money to having their money work for them, offering a pathway to riches that transcends the traditional earn and spend cycle. By embracing these investment strategies, individuals can embark on a journey toward financial liberation and enduring prosperity. 1. Owning a business. Many of us have marveled at successful business moguls, wondering how they accumulate vast fortunes within a single lifetime. Sometimes, influenced by Hollywood's portrayal, we might mistakenly believe these magnates are unethical and have never exerted themselves. This misconception is a significant barrier that hinders our financial progress. Establishing a lucrative enterprise demands immense dedication and effort. Developing a business idea and expanding it into a global company is extremely challenging. Every self-made billionaire, including Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg, achieved their wealth through persistent effort. The key difference between wealthy business owners and regular employees lies in their income sources. Business owners invest intense effort initially to build assets that continually generate income, freeing them from the need to work, whereas employees earn their living paycheck to paycheck, leaving little to no legacy. 2. Investing in real estate. Although starting a business is a proven path to amassing wealth, it's not the sole option. Our financial backgrounds vary, and for many, a stable job with benefits is essential for independence. However, this doesn't mean you're doomed to a life of toil under someone else's command. Escaping the so-called rat race is possible through wise investment choices early on. Initially, purchasing real estate might seem unattainable on an average salary, but as Kiyosaki suggests, using other people's money, OPM, can be a game changer. He advocates for borrowing funds to invest in rental properties, which can generate additional income streams beyond a regular job. This rental income can cover the mortgage and other costs while still providing profit. Moreover, investing in real estate can offer tax advantages, essentially putting more money in your pocket. By progressively acquiring more rental properties, your dependence on a regular salary diminishes, paving the way to financial independence. Your assets begin to generate income for you, potentially creating a legacy of wealth for future generations. 3. Paper assets. It's widely understood that both businesses and real estate entail a considerable initial investment of time and effort before yielding any financial gains. For many of us, dedicating such resources after long workdays is impractical. Robert Kiyosaki presents an alternative path to financial independence that is more accessible for those constrained by time and finances. By adopting disciplined spending habits, individuals can start building wealth with a relatively lower barrier to entry. Instead of splurging on leisure activities like frequent visits to pubs and bars, redirecting funds into stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and government securities could be more beneficial. Each of these investment vehicles comes with its own level of risk, allowing investors to choose according to their comfort with risk. These paper assets offer the advantage of not requiring direct management, as is the case with a business or real estate, while still permitting investment in other entities' successful ventures. The principle here is simple. The more one saves and invests, the quicker one can escape the routine of a 9-to-5 job and begin to cultivate additional streams of passive income. 4. Commodities. The fluctuating value of the dollar highlights a critical insight. Fiat currency's value is a construct, upheld solely by government endorsement. This perceived value is vulnerable to change, especially in the face of geopolitical shifts. For instance, should another nation surpass the United States in terms of global dominance, its currency could potentially eclipse the dollar. This unpredictability underscores why relying on a single currency for wealth preservation is risky. To safeguard against such volatility and the eventual devaluation of fiat currency, Kiyosaki advises investing in God's money or commodities. Commodities like gold, silver, oil, and even agricultural products hold intrinsic value that persists regardless of currency fluctuations. They are essential for human survival, energy, and wealth preservation, making them indispensable. With their finite supply and consistent demand, commodities not only serve as a hedge against inflation but also as a strategic choice for diversifying investment portfolios. Investing in commodities is a prudent measure to protect and grow wealth, particularly during times when traditional assets might depreciate. 5. Time. The adage "time is money" underscores time's value as the ultimate commodity. Unlike money, which can be earned and lost, time, once passed, is irretrievable. Youth, therefore, is an invaluable asset, providing the liberty to take risks with the comfort of time to recover from potential losses. Maximizing time's use is crucial for accumulating wealth. Starting investments early, as illustrated by Warren Buffett's advice, significantly impacts wealth accumulation over time. Utilizing weekends for personal development, starting a side project, enhancing skills for career advancement, or pursuing a passion can pivot life's direction towards substantial success. Wealth, in its essence, offers security against economic shifts, ensuring protection for oneself and loved ones regardless of external circumstances. 6. Health. Maintaining physical health is foundational to achieving goals and ambitions. Neglecting health in youth through poor dietary habits, excessive alcohol consumption, or smoking can lead to a cycle of earning to sustain unhealthy lifestyles, eventually resulting in substantial health-related expenses. Conversely, investing in regular exercise not only enhances the capacity to work and earn, but also promises a longer, healthier life with loved ones. 7. Online assets. Launching an online platform, such as a YouTube channel, costs nothing but offers immense potential to earn by sharing knowledge or skills. Whether it's cooking, entertaining, or tech skills, valuable content can attract a significant following, leading to monetization opportunities through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Developing online assets, courses, websites, blogs, or social media can evolve into lucrative ventures, further diversifying income streams. 8. Network. The significance of networking is encapsulated in the notion that satisfied clients lead to referrals. Establishing a personal brand or reputation can dramatically enhance business success. For instance, in catering, a single event can expand one's network exponentially, with guests potentially becoming future clients. Beyond delivering quality, proactive marketing is essential to attract attention and opportunities. Engaging with and expanding your network lays a foundation for sustained growth and success in any endeavor. As we wrap up today's journey through invaluable insights for achieving financial freedom and securing a prosperous future, we hope you found our discussion enlightening and empowering. Your time, health, and the decisions you make about investments, be it in business, real estate, paper assets, commodities, or online platforms, play a pivotal role in shaping your wealth and legacy. Remember, the choices you make today define the security and freedom you enjoy tomorrow. We're eager to hear your thoughts and experiences. Which of these strategies have you tried or plan to explore? Do you have any success stories or lessons learned to share with our community? Your input not only enriches our discussions, but also inspires fellow viewers to take that crucial step ahead in their financial journey. If you found value in our content and wish to stay updated with more insights and strategies to move your life a step ahead, please consider subscribing to our channel, Step Ahead. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Together, let's build a community focused on growth, empowerment, and achieving financial independence. Thanks for watching.